In this video, we will be looking at the common cuckoo, also known in the UK simply as the cuckoo. The cuckoo is a dove-sized bird with a blue-grey back, head and chest, and stripy black and white belly. Its sleek body, long tail and pointed wings gives it an appearance not unlike kestrels or sparrowhawks. Cuckoos are summer visitors and are known for being brood parasites. This means that instead of building their own nest, the females lay their eggs in other birds' nests, especially meadow pipits, dunnocks and reed warblers. When a female cuckoo finds a suitable nest and the hosts they aren't looking, she removes one of their eggs and lays her own egg in its place. Cuckoo eggs hatch after just 12 days and push the host's eggs or babies out of the nest, allowing it to eat all the food bought by the host bird. By the time the cuckoo leaves the nest, it is far bigger than the host bird, but the adoptive parent continues to feed the young cuckoo for a further 2 weeks. With their young being raised by another bird, adult cuckoos are free to leave the UK much earlier. Most leave during June for Africa, where they spend the winter. The young cuckoos leave later on, once they're fully fledged. Their recent population decline makes it a red list species in the 2021 UK Conservation Status Report. Red is the highest conservation priority, with species on this list needing urgent action. Species on this list, such as cuckoos, are globally threatened, with the biggest declines in breeding populations and ranges. The habitats frequented by this bird are woodland, upland, urban and suburban farmland, heathlands and wetlands. Now, you've probably heard of that famous call, cuckoo. The male of this species makes this call, but females on the other hand make a bubbling, mad-sounding loud chuckle. However though, despite being a bird with a very well-known call, cuckoos are elusive and rarely seen. When is the last time you saw a cuckoo? Again, when seen, they should be readily identifiable, but they're frequently confused with other species. Distantly heard birds can be mistaken for collared dove. However, it is seen in flight that cuckoo can give the most confusion. They can appear very raptor-like, leading to potential mistaken identity as any of the grey-backed birds of prey. Hobby, merlin, even peregrine falcon, and also occasionally the sparrowhawk too. Even small songbirds can get fooled by cuckoos by their similarity to the falcons, and can often mob them too. Now, as I've covered earlier about the male and female cuckoo, how do male and female cuckoos differ? Well, while a male cuckoo has mainly grey plumage and a solid coloured head and breast, which I also mentioned earlier, female cuckoos come in 2 different colour varieties, known as morphs. The first colour morph, on one hand, is grey and looks quite similar to the male, while the other one is rufous red and almost kestrel-like in appearance. Thanks for watching. Remember to click like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment so you don't miss out on any new videos from me every week. Now, for some people who are wondering why I always stutter in videos before I can say another word, it is because I have autism, which means I sometimes tend to have a lot of trouble talking in that, and I don't really have much control over it. I'm sorry, it's just that I'm struggling and all that. So anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.